Ebewagi agaro kosume. Adedo. Agario kosuma velie. Adedo. Ameni veli veli no mi ede. 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 Adedo. Adedo ve, adedo ve. Adedo. Adedo ve, adedo ve. Adedo. Ebewagi agaro kosume. Adedo. Agario kosuma velie.
My sister. Oh, Aka is in serious trouble.
How can this be? Wow. How? The king is seriously sick. And nobody knows if he will survive till the next day.
Prime is that she's no loved by the king. Serves her right. Serves her right.
She won't deny the fact that she's an adulterous woman. And she wants her son to be the next king of this land. I do not believe all that stories about her. I do not. Her beauty charms every man who catches her eyes. Go well, woman. I am done with you. Can't stand here all day. Bye. Are you not going to the stream again? I will use the other smaller one. Goodbye.
Hell! Ogiso has gone to join his ancestors. Oh yeah. Ogiso has gone to join his ancestors without pointing out who will be the next successor. Ew. This is where the whole calamity begins.
My king, those who are not in support of your rulership in this land are running away.
Nobody runs away from his home. They shall surely return. It is only a matter of time.
My beautiful Omoyi. The very string with which my heart was weaved. My king. My love, I'm worried about the gods. The gods are not stupid. They must want me to crown a queen. Odomo, that can't be. You are the stars that light up my path. Since this is my fate,
Please marry another wife.
My love, that can be. You are the very oil that lubricates the very fragile heart of the king. The gods have blessed our marriage with the seed you are carrying. The seed that comforts me. May he be a son that will be as strong and healthy as me.
Please, my love. You need to think about getting another wife.
I would rather crown a queen than to take another wife. That I promise you today. Come.
Chief Adolo. I think he...
Hobo! What do you mean of this, Hobo? Greetings, my head. Get yourself! What brings you here in such a hurry? My elders, the servant said that the toad does not run the daytime for nothing. True. True what? I was told the queen can only give birth to girls. And in a few days, she is bound to deliver again. That is my concern. Hobo! Hobo! Just that? Let us wait for her to deliver before you can show concern. I don't think we should wait. Oh, let us call for a meeting immediately, insisting the king marries another wife. Are you married? What? Are you married? Why would you suggest that? Why would you suggest that? Let us not be faster than our shadow. If she is destined to give birth to only girls, then there must be a reason. And that reason must be for a mother to bear him a son. A son that will succeed him. And we must ask fast to find that woman. Thank you, my elder. You're welcome. I know you always have solution to any problem. Exactly. Okay. Can always count on me. We shall see. I will help me. May the gods bless us with a song. Please, boldness and strength shall be his companion. Yes, Baby is kicking. That is my blood. This is fruit. I cannot wait to carry my baby in my arms. My king. Odoe. Thank you. Thank you for loving me, not minding what destiny has been predicted for me to have just girls. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you.
Adeswa, the gods has destined you to be the queen mother of this land. I do not want to be compared to marry a man that loves another.
I never loved your father. But I love you, my child. You will grow to love your children.
That is the life of a woman.
But mother,
I love Okoje. He's a nice and young man from the royal line. Be quiet! And that's why you will follow my instruction.
Yes, mother. The days of my Amor, I just want to
How I wish this child know what awaits her.
Mother, what is the matter? And which child?
My king, we came to discuss a very crucial matter with you. Speak freely, please. It is about you marrying another wife.
My king, our Christian gives you the right to marry up to 7 wives.
My chiefs,
I want to thank you for your concern. But I don't think I need another wife. My heart is made for one woman. And that is Omoye, my queen. My lovely queen.
My king, what will you do with just girls?
Are you married?
Is all local business gone?
What is all this?
Your Highness, I think we should plan on how to get you a son.
My king, the queen has just been delivered of a beautiful princess.
Wonderful! Oh, welcome my princess. May the gods be praised.
Amogo.
Thank you.
Amogo.
Thank you.
Yes, my king.
May the gods be praised.
Sir.
My priestess, I heard something.
Forget about what you heard. Go follow up on the chiefs now that Omoye has given birth to a girl. I told you the gods are with us.
But I heard something.
What is it again?
That the king is about to crown the princess as queen.
That cannot be. This cannot happen in my time. This is a taboo.
But he is the king. He can do anything. And he is the law.
Have you discussed this with the chiefs?
Not yet, my princess. But I will.
Obu, this is our chance. Because I know there is no way they will agree for her to be crowned queen.
Oje, I'm so happy to see you again.
Ide, my brother. Please, call me Itua whenever we're alone. You are my brother. and my trusted friend.
OJ, man, I know too well than to call you by your name. You are our Zaiki, and I must respect that. The gods have made it so.
Well, if you insist.
Of course.
So, how are you?
I am fine.
How was your journey?
My journey was great. This is for you.
Omosia. Obulu.
I am so happy you are pleased.
Thank you very much for this beautiful gift.
Going now. What is it?
What is wrong with her?
Mama, what is it?
Papa, I am tired of this farm life. Oh. I am tired.
Things will get better soon, my daughter.
My lovely family. Very soon, we all will be living in the palace.
Palace. Palace. You don't hear you say palace?
Palace.
You this good for nothing man who specializes in carrying fake rumor and gossip. Palace my foot.
Firstly, I told you the gods will bless the queen with only female children.
So? And so?
Right now, the queen has just given birth to another female child.
Hey, what? So, how then do you now intend to take us to the palace?
Women and their ways. I have a secret about the king that I wish to trade with the elders.
This is great news.
Good news, that is worth celebrating. Let's hurry up, let's go home so we can celebrate together. Help her. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, lovely wife, let's go.
And we will try again. And again. And again. My love. Smile for me. I love you so much.
Thank you, my king.
I actually called for this meeting so that we can discuss a crucial matter.
Speak in plain words, for elders like us can easily tell when something is fishy. The king wants to change our tradition.
It baffles me the way and manner the king parades himself as a woman's rapper.
True, my elders. True. How can a man follow his wife to the midwife's house? Not just a man, but the king. Oh, hello.
I mean, how can a king refuse to marry another wife?
No.
This is strange.
It is the king's choice to marry as many. Since when has that constituted a crime?
For a queen that can only give birth to a girl child?
Then the king must marry another woman. Good. Bam. Chief Mary, it is not the reason why you come for this meeting.
Exactly.
For us to tell the king to hurry up.
But he said he does not need another wife.
Anyway.
Yes.
The king is planning on crowning the princess. The gods forbid. Now, I have been a chief in this kingdom for years. I served his father and I am serving him now. Never has it been in our history that a woman inherits his father's property. Not let alone the crown. The gods forbid.
My queen.
I got this for the princess. I don't know if she will like them.
Oh, what this one? These are so beautiful. Just like my princess. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
You are very, very respectful.
Alisa. Thank you very much. You rest assured of the interest of the palace once she marries the king.
Right there. Thank you for helping me with that crucial matter. Your wisdom is of the gods. I shall take my leave now.
My king, you look worried.
My chiefs have concluded plans to get me a wife.
Ah, that is good news. I actually went to town in search for a bride for you.
My love, Omoye. You mean you did that for me?
Yes, I did that for us. But I was not lucky enough to find one.
I wish you did. The chiefs are clamoring for Adesua.
Adesua, the priestess' daughter.
My queen! My queen! My queen!
The princess is lying lifeless with the gift from Adesua poured on the floor.
Ah! My princess! My child!
My princess!
My princess? Adisua.
Yes, my king.
Why did you agree to marry me?
Because you are my king.
No. No. Look, I am not such a king. I love my wife and my daughter. Only those who are determined to impose their tradition on us are against us.
But my king, I've never heard of crown queen in all Esa land.
That is true. But there are crowned queens in other kingdoms.
That I can't tell, your highness.
Your place in this palace is to bear me a son and not to go after my heart. Is that understood?
As it pleases you, my king.
Good. My people, you all may be aware that your princess is terribly sick. Evil is in darkness. I plead that any of you who has the medicine that can cure your princess to come forward. Anybody who provides the medicine to cure our princess will be adequately rewarded with land, and that person will have a place in my palace.
Ojemen, if it pleases the gods, we shall find a cure.
I know if they may have medicine but which can be of help.
What is the meaning of that?
Is there a native doctor?
No, but he has lived with the white man. He may have medicine for this kind of sickness.
I plead, Your Majesty, let us call the priestess at once.
By the way, the princess is supposed to be in this gathering. Why is she not here? Get her at once.
Greetings, my queen.
How are you, daughter?
Fine.
Omyoji, a princess.
The princess will get better soon, my queen.
Thank you, my child. And who is this?
I'm Iden's daughter. My father asked me to bring treatment for the princess.
There is a good man. A woman.
My queen, you can use this on her anytime she feels pain.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Greet your father.
Yes, my queen.
She feels better now.
Yes, my queen.
Ọmọ tare. Ọmọ tare.
Mother, what is it?
Princess, it is our song. You must learn it. Let me teach you. When I say Ọmọ at the ending, you will say tare. Okay? Ọmọ tare. Ọmọ tare. Ọmọ tare. Nuraluwa tare. Ọmọ tare. Ọmọ tare. Ọmọ tare. Nuraluwa tare.
Father.
How are you?
Fine.
I was just teaching our daughter, the princess, that we must learn to respect our traditions and customs.
Mother, even if it hurts?
Love is a good thing, even if it hurts us.
Love indeed is a beautiful thing. The one I share with your mother is wonderful.
But you will hurt her if you marry.
Say no more, my princess. Those words are for adults, okay?
Okay.
My king, let me teach her the song again. Ọmọ tare, ọmọ tare, ọmọ tare, luwa tare, ọmọ tare, ọmọ tare, ọmọ tare, luwa tare.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Priestess of our land.
Greetings, Eden.
Where are you going?
How is that your business?
I was actually coming to your house.
You won't come to my house today. Not. For since you came back from township, you are no longer the son of the store. You have become a total stranger.
How do you mean?
David, let me sound this to you as a note of warning. The next time you interfere in my business, I shall send you to the great beyond.
What business are you talking about?
Vivier, the princess' ambition is driving her into questionable actions.
Everybody knows about the love between the king and the queen.
True, but the gods are not fair. How come she bears only a girl child?
I don't have an answer to that, my friend.
Vivier, I feel the priestess has bribed the gods so that she can scatter the love between the king and the queen.
I am afraid for the queen. I wish my husband could love me like that.
Vivier, their love is heaven's made.
That's true. My sister, I think I have to go.
Oh, you are leaving?
I need to go and cook for my husband.
Even though he doesn't love me, he will love you. We will see in the next market day. Okay, bye. Evil priestess.
Mother, is that not the king's maid?
Yes.
What did you give to her?
You ask too many questions. Have you forgotten that I am the priestess of this land and that people come to me for help?
But mother, what help will a maid need from you? And why was she leaving when I was coming towards you?
You are only a child, asking too many questions. Watch as it all unfolds.
Mother, I will not be part of any evil plan. I will not.
But you poisoned the princess.
Mother! That one is on you. You gave me the gifts to give to her. I only wanted to get close to her by giving her gifts.
Ah, this one.
king, what are you doing here?
My irreplaceable queen, the very string with which my heart was made. I am here to share my love. I am here to watch the moon shine through your eyes tonight.
But you just got married to Adesuwa today.
Yes, I did. But your gaze was missing. And I couldn't stand the thought of not being in your heart tonight.
My king, it is tradition that you sleep in the chambers of your new bride on the first night. My king.
Yes, I know. But I will return to her before anyone notices. My love, let's go to your chambers.
My king, but we have tried before.
Let's go. We will try again.
My husband. My husband. This man. I think you have overslept. It's already morning. And the maids are outside. Your Highness. Odome. It's almost noon. It's almost noon. Yes.
Almost noon?
Yes. You overslept like a man in his honeymoon.
My love, I wish we can spend more quality time together.
My king, your new brides are with you. How do you leave my chambers now?
Look, I am the king. It's nobody's business where I spend my night. I can spend my night in my first wife's chambers and nobody has the right to query me.
I don't want to be seen as a bad queen. Let me look for how to clear the courtyard so that you can join Queen Adesuwa.
Why me? Why would this happen to me? My first night? Opa!
My queen. Yeah, I'm my queen.
Go to my mother. Now, go to her. Tell her that the young night has turned today. Go fast.
Okay, my queen.
Go.
Greetings, wise one.
Ukma, what brings you?
Wise one, My queen said I should tell you that the love night has turned day.
Ukmo,
Wise one.
go tell her that it is forbidden for the old to be seen in daylight.
Okay, wise one.
Now go.
Hey, it has finally happened.
Did you know that the king did not sleep with the new queen last night?
Queen Omoye has the king's heart.
My sister, what will now happen to the quest of a prince by the king?
The king is satisfied with the princess.
Oh, you know that will not happen.
So you people will not stop all this small talk in this palace.
Please, sister, go for the phone.
Look at them. The straw that broke the camel's back was last night when the king refused to sleep in his new queen's chamber. Now that you know that you can force the camel to the river, will you be able to force it to drink water? Eh?
I think it is the queen that has bewitched the king.
Ta!
Kokunu!
And go and do something else with your free time. Because the road to the palace is still very far.
Mother, Eliama, did you sleep at all? You look pale.
Mother, I'm tired. The king refused to sleep in my chambers.
So I was told.
Imagine the mockery. Imagine the shame.
I know. Patient, my child. When you bear him a son, all your mockers will be silenced.
I hope so. I wish I married Okoje.
Quiet, Adeswa. Whenever you compare the meat of an elephant with that of a goat.
And the elephant is out of my reach.
Hey, big cow. You shall reach it. You shall get it. Wait for me. Ivade. Erere namo. Ogbere bibi here. Take my child. In that palace, you shall be a celibate.
Thank you, Mother.
Go.
Thank you.
Go, my child.
Worry.
Go, please.
Thank you.
My brother, we have succeeded in our task.
Yes.
Ojeme now has a new wife.
Let Ojime use the opportunity well so that he can't give birth to an heir. Even his father married 7 wives, each from different villages, carefully selected during the maiden dance.
Queen Adesua will give Ojeme an heir very, very soon.
So, what about that your brother talking about getting another wife?
That one has been settled.
Okay.
That has been settled. There's no issue at all.
That's good.
My queen. How are you?
Fine.
I called you to explain last night. I know I was supposed to spend the night at your chambers last night, but I can't question sleep.
Take this to the king. Tell him it's from me. Okay? Go.
Thank you.
I went to see the queen before coming to your chambers, but I slept off. I only woke up this morning.
Thank you for explaining to me. But I was really hurt.
I know. And I'm sorry.
Thank you, my king. My husband. I'll wait to carry your prince.
Okuji, how are you?
I am fine. On a visit to the palace to see my brother the king.
You are highly welcome.
Adesuwa, I forbid you call me that. I forbid it. I will tell your husband to keep you busy in his chambers to avoid you committing.
Hey! Okuji, I'm the queen and the wife to your brother. I don't need lectures from you.
You married my brother?
Yes. I'm the queen of Iwe. The next queen mother of the heir to the throne.
I shall return back to my journey. I will not be a party to your greed.
What greed? Have you no wonder why the queen have not been able to give birth on her?
I heard the ghost.
Good. Who am I to question the gods for their wisdom?
I shall return to the dark days of Loam. May the gods protect the king.
Some group of people are intruding into our land and they demand to see the king. Which direction are you coming from? And where are they? I think by now they have gotten to the market square. Guards! Okay. Summon Okaigele, Ogbonuge, the warriors, and the elders immediately. Move! And you, go get me the priest from Uzea. Now move! We must see their duke. Exactly. And demand respect. Exactly. We are fearless.
Which part leads to the palace?
Let's capture a young lad and he will lead us to the palace. Hey, job, no? Yeah, my elders, this kingdom has lived in peace since the days of our forefathers. We were farming and doing other businesses peacefully. So why this?
Your Highness, who are these invaders and what do they want?
These are warriors from Benin. Our forefathers migrated from there through Eho, Iwa, and many other villages linking our village.
Eyes of the gods.
My king.
What can we do urgently to prevent this catastrophe?
My king, let me consult the god. My king, we all have to abstain from women, says the gods, so that we can defeat our enemies. And we must kill goats for sacrifice to appease the gods. And we have to come in unity so that we can protect our land, says the God.
My elders, the oracle has spoken. I hereby decree we shall all abstain from our wives. We shall kill goats to avert this war. I have spoken.
Adesua, what are you doing here?
I slept here.
You did what?
I slept here, my king.
Adesua, why? This can't happen! Look, I made the rules and I must not break them. I am the link between the gods and the people. Hey! Adesua, you have killed me! You have finished me! Hey! Gods! Gods!
Made it.
Why are you going to the marketplace at this time?
How dare you speak to an Igbo chief like that? You are too young to speak back at us. Too young. Where did she go to? Oh no, she's gone with the wind. Muja.
What do you know, Jay? Do something.
Yes, the eyes of the gods. My young wife has a young wife has doomed us all. And the gods are angry. Because when a man catches an uninfested firewood, he must be ready for what comes after. I know. I am aware that the gods are angry with us. But I do not want all the gods to be on my people. I will take the blame. Let the wrath of the gods be on me.
But the gods give us another answer. My king! I must leave.
Oh, what can I wear, man?
Mere wan etigiro mere.
Ọmọ na ya. Ọmọ. Ọ̀gá àgbà kan.
Ọ̀pá.
Good morning, elders.
We keep seeing strange faces. I know the Duke.
What makes you think he's not the Duke? No, I am not the Duke. I am here. Then you must take us to the palace. We have heard of your strikes and attack on people. But mind you, we are the descendants of the great Igodo. We were carefully nurtured with the finest powers. We are strong and fearless.
I will kill you. I will kill you. We are not dead of these people.
Eleama, I will offer sacrifice to the gods. There must be another chance.
Mother, the king hates me now. He feels I'm the cause of the problem in the land. He do not want to see me. He hates me.
It's okay.
Greetings, my priestess. And to you, my queen, greetings.
Well, welcome, Obo.
I heard the good news, and I wanted to come congratulate you.
Obulu, Obulu.
Mother, I do not celebrate. I told you the king hates me now.
That's how we men are.
My child, I will make sacrifice. He will turn around. The gods have assured me that he will bear the heir.
Mother, you are talking about the heir? When there is crisis in the land. We do not know if tomorrow will come. We do not know if we will be slaughtered like Ide.
Ide was slaughtered, yes. That is because he did not have the protection of the gods.
That is the point that people fail to realize. That Ide was a free babe.
Who is not? Tell me! Who is not? Who?
So you are still here? After 7 days? If you want to fight, fight!
We are not here to fight. If we were, we would have raised your village from the face of the earth. Our honors is to send a message to your duke.
Then, deliver the message to me.
Eh?
To you. You claim you do not want war. But you chase our women out of the market. And you beheaded our son. You do it. And we do more if you do not accord us our respect.
Ediono.
No one tells a blind man that there is stone in the soup.
Ediono.
My word and my fury is in what no spirit can withstand. Not to talk of the no mortar. I am the son of the sun. And I fear no mortar.
Oh, sir. We have obviously seen your powers. But like I said, we have a message for the Duke. This is a message of peace from our Ogiso. Yeah. Yeah.
I shall deliver your message. In the next New Year festival, my Duke will visit your kingdom. Oh, Jonoje, may you live long. I greet you, my king. Eyes of the gods, where are the warriors that went with you? My king, I retired them on the way. My king, here is a peace gift from Edo to you, my king. My king. Oh, Jonoje, live long. May the gods be praised. Yes,
For real. That was how everybody just came out. Everybody just came out and they were cheering her up. If you see that day. My dear, all thanks to the gods that we cannot move about without fear. Yes, so I was so scared that I started packing my load to run off. To where exactly? Anywhere! So far from the strangers and warriors that killed them. I blame Adesua. Don't talk like that. Hey! She's a queen. Queen. She's not desperate. She slept with the king against the god's wish.
Hey, who is there?
My husband.
You are welcome.
Thank you. My daughter. Well work. Please help me arrange those things I brought from the market. Okay. Thank you.
How was the market? I hope you sold everything.
Yes. I sold everything and even bought the things we needed with the sales. My husband. I heard the king is going to Idu.
Heard from who?
From the market. From all the royal women.
Let him go. I believe he will never return to tell the story.
But how will that benefit you and his new wife?
Wait, we shall see.
Oh, Bolu. My daughter.
My queen, I can see the prince kicking inside of you. Mother, how do you see? The gods have given me eyes to see what mortal eyes cannot see. Mother.
Yes? I fear for my husband's life.
Why? The gods are with him. Why fear?
Who goes to war without arms?
How do you mean?
The king is going to Idu before I will be delivered.
He shall go and return. From what I see, he shall return with great powers. Fear not, my child.
Mother,
fear not.
I'm worried.
Fear not, my child.
I'm worried.
Fear not.
Take it to the king. Take and go.
Open.
You are here?
Yes. Which of the queen's maids is cooking tonight?
Inadesiwa.
Inadesiwa. What food? Why did you ask?
The food is smelling nice.
Oh, I was thinking you want to complain.
Complain? Why should I complain? No. The food is smelling nice, that's all.
Thanks.
Okay, we'll see you later.
You can go.
Okay. How is my food?
Go.
My husband, what happened to your leg? How did this happen?
Call me the chief priest. He must have answers.
I already did.
Good.
Ojonoje, may you live long. My king, you ate a forbidden food and it has affected your legs.
What food is that?
Please, tell us.
My king, I have made sacrifice to the gods, but you must stop eating the food.
What food are you talking about?
My king, Ipapa.
It was Queen Adeswa's turn to cook 3 days ago, and she made that food.
My king, the toad likes water, but not when it is hot. My king, none of our people should test from that food. Else, there will be great consequences. The king will be fine again, but it will take time.
How long, my priest?
Yes. How long will it take?
My king, that will be the next yam season.
My priest, you and I know that the king will be in Edo in 7 days' time. Please, what can be done? Please.
My queen, I'm afraid nothing can be done. I repeat, nothing can be done. My king, Ojonoje, I must take my leave.
I said it. I said it. The gods are not yet through with me.
It is not yet due time. We shall find a way. We shall send the elders instead.
That is a bright idea. That is the option. My love. My sunset at dawn. Thank you.
Thank you.
I should go instead of the king. The journey is far, and only the elderly and strong like us can embark on such journey.
That is very true. I support you, my elder.
No, Ayemere. I should go instead.
Usanobla. Of what use is this argument?
No.
Let the king decide. Whoever he chooses will be the king representing all.
Eriono. Ome.
Joshua Rolu. Rolu.
Ishisa,
My queen.
you came at the right time.
Thank you.
I want you to be the godfather of my son.
My queen, only the gods can decide that. We shall see until the child is born. Jemmy.
It is on my brother.
Oh, Jimmy.
The gods have decided to take their pound of flesh on my legs.
Ujeme, and the legs they shall restore.
I need you to help me. I need you to go to Idu, take the oath of allegiance, and return peacefully.
Ujeme, but I am not a king.
I know. You are my beloved blood brother, and I can only trust you to obey and respect our father's birthright.
I shall do as you have commanded. I shall go and return.
My lord, let Isheso take an oath not to fail you, and I will return.
My queen, blood is thicker than water. I shall go and return.
My queen, would you rather I send another?
No, my king. But an oath.
My brother,
Ujeme,
I need you to swear right here and right now that you shall not fail me and return peacefully.
Zaki, I swear that I will not fail you, and I will return peacefully.
Good.
Jim, thank you.
Go in peace.
Okiriri! Okiriri! Ife! Ifo! Nka! Ogiso Atokpe.
My king, can I ask a question?
Go on.
Okay. Can I get a portion of those sacrifice?
Wow. I mere so venue. No.
My king, okay, can I replicate same back home?
Young king, OJ, I see you look so troubled. But I want to let you know that those things, those rituals, cannot be altered or changed or replicated by mortal men in Nikau or where. I mere son venue.
I can.
No. But I see your entourage is incomplete.
Okay. One of my chiefs has gone ahead to prepare the way.
Oh, one of the chiefs has gone ahead.
Ogiso Atokpe.
Ogiobosobo, are you done with the ritual? All of them. And what about the colonel? Oh, you have it?
Yes.
Well, lead them on the pathway.
Ogiso Atokpe.
Yes, where is the chief? My brother. He is a few steps ahead. We will meet him up. But I saw with my eyes that a man cannot dine with the gods